A polygon is any closed geometry with a minimum of 3 sides and a maximum of infinite number of sides. So theoretically, the smallest polygon is a triangle and the largest is a circle, which can be assumed to consist of infinite number of sides. But for AutoCAD we have a limitation, and that limitation extends from 3 minimum sides to maximum 1024 sides. So in AutoCAD you can draw a polygon with a maximum 1024 number of sides. For starting polygon command, go to Home tab and Draw panel and click on this small arrow which is right beside this rectangle tool and select Polygon. You can also select command equivalent of Polygon, which is POL, and press enter, and this will also start your polygon command. Now at first this command line will prompt you to enter number of sides. So let's make a pentagon. So I'll enter 5 and press enter. Now the command prompts you to select the center of polygon. So I'm clicking at this screen in this drawing area that will be the center of my polygon. So here I have clicked. Now we have two options, inscribed in a circle and circumscribed about a circle. So if a polygon is inside a circle so that its every edge touches the circle, then it is said to be inside or inscribed in a circle. And for a circumscribed polygon, it lies completely outside a circle so that midpoint of every side of the polygon touches the circle. So this image makes it more clear to you. Now let's make an inscribed polygon for this case. So let's click on this inscribed, and now it's prompting you to select radius of circle, and this radius is the circle in which this polygon is inscribed. So I'm entering a radius of 50 units and press enter. So here we have a polygon with radius of 50 units as its inscribed circle. Okay, now let's make a polygon which is circumscribed about a circle. So I'll select polygon. Let's select 5 as the number of sides. Here we have the center, and now let's select circumscribe. In this case you can clearly see that this cursor is touching the midpoint of this edge. Now again enter 50, and here we have this polygon with inscribed circle of radius 50 units. Now if you know the length of sides of these polygons, then also you can make a polygon. So for that, let's go to polygon, select number of sides, which is 5 obviously in this case as well, and now instead of selecting the center of a polygon, click on this edge. Now this will prompt you to specify first point. So click at this drawing area, this will be the first point, and now select the second point. And in this case you don't need to specify inscribed or circumscribed circle. So directly enter the value of its side or the length of its side and press enter. Right now I've entered 60 and press enter. Now each of these sides is of length 60 units.